Welcome back, everyone. I'm Jeff.
And I'm Macy, and this is Polar Tech Bytes.
Today we're going to provide you with some information about the ONU Mobile App that is available for download on both Apple and Android devices.
When you open up the ONU Mobile App, you should see a variety of different tools. A few of these would be a QR code reader in the upper left corner of the screen, a quick access button to contact public safety in the upper right corner of the screen, a search bar, and more.
Further down on the home screen, you'll see your favorites that you can alter by clicking on the edit button and starring whichever topics you want to appear in your favorites. Below that, you should see your student schedule also.
If you select View All, you will enter a view that is sort of like a calendar. To navigate through this view, you can scroll, or you can select the month at the top of the screen to move from month to month. You can also switch from the list view to a week view by entering the settings in the upper right corner. Due dates or events can be added by selecting the plus sign found in the top right corner as well.
Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you should be able to see all of your unread notifications. But if you switch to the second tab at the bottom of the screen, you will see various tiles for different aspects of student life.
These tiles provide access to COVID-19 updates, Moodle, self-service banner, maps, events, places to eat, sports information, offices and services, the directory, student organizations, IT assistance, the bookstore, information on student success, student affairs, the student of concern form, res life, HR, and campus job info.
If you select the middle tab that looks like a chat bubble, the student feed will appear. If you select the three lines in the upper left-hand corner, a menu will appear from the left side of the screen where you can navigate through different community channels. There are different channels for things like the student feed, ride sharing, news, the lost and found, housing, and buying and selling things.
Right below the list of channels, you should also see a list of groups you are a member of. For example, you might be in the commuters group or the PSCJ group. By clicking on one of these groups, you'll be able to view any announcements they might make.
Next, if you select the Bell tab, you'll be able to see all your notifications. By selecting the check mark, you can essentially mark all of these notifications red. Further, if you select the adjustment icon in the upper right-hand corner, you'll be able to adjust the notification settings to how you wish. Finally, on this tab, you can select the three lines that appear in the upper left-hand corner, which will help you navigate through specific kinds of notifications.
If you then select the profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, your profile will appear along with some other tools. By selecting the settings icon, you will be able to edit different aspects of your profile, like your banner picture, profile picture, and bio. If you select My Friends, then you will be shown a list of people that you are friends with and you can also chat with by choosing their name and then selecting Message. You can add friends by simply searching their name, selecting their name, and then choosing Add Friend. You can also block users by choosing the three dots in the corner of the screen.
There are a few other tools available on the screen as well. You can review your posts, look at your calendar, review your courses, and more. If you have any questions about the app, you can contact the ONU IT Help Desk or the EdTech team.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and always remember, Go Bears!